This is John, and he runs a small telecom company. This is Bill and Mohammed, and they have just opened a new telecom startup. The job to grow volumes and increase margins seemed easy, but it's been quite a letdown so far.
We need to improve our service and reliability immediately. The server is not working and the manufacturer puts the blame on us.
I can't reach your tech support during off hours.
Expenses keep growing and we barely cover data centre and payroll with our profits.
The server is not working. Service and reliability.
Now, when R&R took care of business infrastructure and process automation, John, Bill and Mohammed forgot all about the technical issues, and now they work only on improving business profitability, and they certainly spend more quality time with friends and families. Write to me now and I'll help you grow profits in your telecom wholesale business and reduce operational complexities.